money, 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 hey, 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 step by step, baby. Let's get it. Should be live now. Let's drop the link out to everybody and show them step by step how it looks, how it is done, step by step. Let's just send this out to everyone. I'm just sending out a message to everyone to let him know. Ooh. There we go. We are live, baby. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Okay, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Mxrgin live stream. I'm your host Shaquel Samaai, and I'm here to take the market step by step, break it down step by step, and see what we can't see today on the market, and make sure that the market pips pays the bills. That's what we're here to do again, guys. We're here live again. Let's get the lights up, boys. What is this two-light thing? Step by step on a Tuesday, boys. Come on. What is this? Step by step, not two-step. Yo, what's happening, boys? Let's check who's in the chat this morning. Nike, of course. Of course, we have Love. I see Love is Bino. So first in the chat, shout out to Love. Good morning, gents. It's actually afternoon on the side. Uncrowd sub chat. IBS afternoon, my bro. Brandon as well. What's up, good people in the chat? Let's see, we have Wesley as well, of course. Zaid K, you know the vibes. We have also Les, my G. We have Abdul in the chat. Mohammed Mullah, yo, what's happening, my bro? Shout out to Abdul as well. Rome, I'm good, guys. I'm excited to be on the stream again, step by step, break down the chart and show you things you've never seen before. We're about to trade the New York Open with NASDAQ, and of course, look at gold for those who like to look at trading gold, and we'll tap a bit of into US30. But let's just go quick into gold, guys. So on gold, here we go. 30-minute time frame. Now, my students, my mentees, come in. Come have a seat here. Come sit here. Come sit here by me. Come. Yeah. Let me sit by next to the chat, man. Come here.
Today I ate pap, no?
Today 8 you ate pap.
And now I'm sleepy, bro.
You're sleepy? Okay, so come sit here. So I usually teach people to look in the market before any massive move we have.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Daniel.
So what happened to pap? The pap finished you, but you have
No.
to say, what's up, people? Tell me something. Before any massive move in the market, what do we have usually? Before that big move?
A range.
What?
A range.
A range.
Range.
We have a range.
Yeah.
A range.
Range.
We have a range.
Before a massive move.
Before massive move, we have a range.
Mm-hmm.
We have a range before massive move, right?
Yeah.
How do you spell range?
How do we spell?
A range.
Spell it.
Yeah, range.
R-A-N-G-E.
Okay, there we go. Shout out to you. Yeah. Guys, so we have a range.
According to you,
Yeah, a range.
what you say, after an impulsive move, it's a range.
Or before impulsive move, a range and then range.
So now we're expecting buys, apparently,
Yes.
after this range.
No, we're not expecting. We have to wait for either a closure to the downside or a closure above. That's
Okay.
how I trade a range.
Mm.
It's a range.
Range.
There we go. You say range.
Oh,
Range.
Range Rover, like
Ra-
the way I said it.
Range, no, like a range. That's right. Range. You
Mm.
say range.
Mm.
Wench.
I was trying to use English.
Ah!
That deep English.
That deep English. I see what you're doing, my G. You're on that level, man.
Ish. Bro, I'm in Santon right now, so I have to, I don't have to be like Limpopian anymore.
Oh my god. So what we're looking at is a range. If it closes below this range, below the support right here, then we can target the next lows. So
Okay, so my question is, it's 30 minutes.
yeah,
Higher low, higher highs.
Yes.
Like we're going higher
Yes.
highs, higher lows.
yes, the structure right there. You're talking about this.
So
100%.
it doesn't matter. So once it breaks, this range breaks below. It doesn't matter what is the trend, right?
No.
Oh, already we broke
We
this.
broke this one.
So-
So it's favoring for a sell. So you look at the structure, you're still looking for the trend. Because in a range, in a trend, there's a range usually. Usually you'll see that it pulls back like this, pull back, few candles equal, and it drops off. So it creates a lower high and then it drop. Now you can see same thing here. It creates a lower low, but there was a range manipulation here, then buys up. It has a range manipulation to upside, then it sells. The change of
Okay.
structure. Now we can see market break the previous higher low. It creates a lower low. So here we're looking at either is this going to create a new lower low? But if it wants to, because it's the market can do whatever it wants. So even if market closes with a
Nah,
candle,
this thing is selling, bro. Trust
you see.
Yeah.
So you want to go with the trend rather. But like I said, even I'm open now. I do have a direction, but I'm open for the possibility. If let's say it finds support here and it wants to break above this area, let me just put this on for you guys. No, sorry. This and devastation. So if it does want to close above here, then I'll go in. But there's 21 minutes left for this candle. So in the next 21 minutes, you can come back and see did it close below. And if it close below, we can look for a retest to
Okay.
sell off.
Okay, my next question is, how do you determine the candlestick's closure? Because now we have too many weeks.
Yes.
So you're gonna take the last week or this week?
Very, very. So I will look at this week right here.
You rather take a trade
Yes,
there.
that's the lowest week. So if it can close below,
Okay.
then I know
This is it. Maybe complicated one. Let's say it breaks.
yeah, close here.
Let me show them. Let's say it breaks here, right? It breaks and then it goes here. But as you can see that we have this low here.
Yes.
What's gonna happen to my trade? Is it going to be I'm gonna be in a profit for a little bit, and then once it comes here, is it
to this one here? Go there.
when it comes here
To this
what's
week.
gonna happen?
That's a good question. So when I'm in a trade, I focus on step 2, evolving the market structure as market is moving. Because if I was in a trade and market was here, I would have been aware of this support. So why, when you're in a trade, why are you not trying to be aware of it? So I'm gonna watch as market comes here. Does it close below the candle or does it reject? If a candle rejects, I'll put stop loss to break even and close half my profits and let it run. But if it shows me its structure, let's say it starts doing a range on here, right? I'll hold my trade, but must stop loss to break even and see if it does close below this range. But let's say it just goes right through, bam, bam, close below, I will let it run. If it rejects, I'll put stop loss to break even.
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
It's just trade management.
I see the importance of as a lit entry.
Yeah, let's see what the chat is saying here, bro. Daniel was doing 2 jobs at once, English and trading. W, Captain Daniel. W. Yeah, what's up, chat? Just finished my English class for more English. Yo. Yeah, we have today I actually sabotaged myself. I literally blown to my second phase with that range. Yo. And this is what happens. People will be like, it's a range. They want to trade inside the range.
But how will they know that this thing now is ranging? I'm not supposed to be in this
trade. Very good question, right? Let's say, say you're in this trade, nah? You're buying here out of this, nah? You're buying. Say you buy, and let's say you bought in here. You bought. Now you can see it. Remember, after a range, this is the theory behind it, bro. Where I have not a lot of time, so I want to trade the new open, but I'll go quick over this. The market ranges, right? Once it breaks out the range, remember this is accumulation. It's supposed to distribute. So it means supposed to be one direction candles the whole time. The moment there's an opposite candle in that direction you go in, that's the potential of either a reversal or a slowdown to continue.
And
keep that in mind.
And a slowdown, it means that it's going to be
range to decide will it continue or reverse.
Okay.
So let's say you took the buy here with candle closure, you got in, bam. You buy by see one bullish candle, second bullish candle, third bullish candle, fourth bullish candle. After it becomes a bearish candle. Now what you do is you put the high on that one
and see what's gonna happen.
Yes, and you see if it's in a close equal lows. You see it's more or less equal lows. So you see equal lows right there. Now you're gonna chart. You start there. You start there. Now you start in the trade, right? You put stop as break even. You're watching now. You see okay, pushes, comes right back in. Now you see it's equal lows, two equal lows here at the bottom. So you can see right there. There's a range, or you put it on the open. Now you know, okay, cool. It is actually a range. It's gonna decide is it gonna continue going up or will it reverse and break below.
Makes
and
sense,
there it goes up again. 1, 2 big bullish candles. Slow down candle, opposite direction from what we're going. There does it again. 2 candles, breaks up, and then there's a bigger range, changes. So range starts with 2 candles, opposite candle in the direction. So you will see that like this.
And that's what
see,
we've been having,
bearish,
bro.
Here's one bullish candle. Now it's a potential range or it's a slowdown to continue. Slow down. This one is a slowdown to continue. You'll see it every time. See bearish, 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 opposite candle. Okay, now it starts ranging, then it goes up.
For sure, in a smaller time frame, there's a range on this one because it...
Yes, bro, you are on top of the game. Here you go, right here, right here. There's a break, candle closure, retest, deliver. And I like to trade on a 5-minute time frame.
All right, bro. I know you're gonna cook me after the stream, bro. Can you tell me what to do here?
Okay. Let's go back. So all I'm looking for is this to show me that's analysis for this right now. So we're down on this one. Now we move on to Nasdaq for the open.
Let's check out. I need a script, man. I need a script. I only got a context.
Yeah. So you're gonna take this one, and take that one, and replace it with this in there, with this here.
Script, that same script.
Yeah, with this. You can use.
Okay. All right. Good luck, guys.
Take that same script, put it there. Take that one, that same message, put it in together, and say, make it fit in there.
Okay.
Yes.
Good luck.
Lovely, lovely. And the guys, he does trade, by the way. He does. He makes his. He trades his own way. He trades support resistance.
Today, actually.
How was it? Why are you laughing? What happened?
Let me show the people.
You made money? Oh, my boys are cooking in the place. The boys are cooking in the place, boys. Let's see. Woo! Please show them. Let's show
How to show them?
Like this.
Which one? If they can see, yeah.
Look at that, boys.
Something light.
Something light. Something
light.
Yeah, Naki. Well done, my G. See, that's what I'm talking about, boys. Away. So here we are right now on Nasdaq 100, guys. You can see market just had a bit of a range, but we have this week's market close outside, didn't break this candle here. The candle it broke out didn't close below the low. We had a second week rejected the same place. So this is not a great thing. You see this here, it's not the best. Yeah, that's not the best. But what we do is on the 50-minute time frame, let's look at the trend, what's happening right here. We can see the trend. If you don't see the trend, just take a tool and draw as you see it. How is it doing? Is it going up or is it going down? So you can see the market is trending down. You understand? Automatically you can see I would love a solo stream with Daniel. Shout out, my G. Shout out. Hey, my boy. That's my boy, that. So, what is this now? So you can see the trend is going down completely. Bam, 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 bam. Right? It is trending to the downside. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is trending to the downside. I was at BE in the range, so waiting for the break also. Lovely. And don't trade the range. Nobody made money in the range. We all lose and lost there. Now our market and put it put my hands away. 100%, bro. How much do you charge for mentorship? I don't sell mentorship, boys. I don't have a mentorship. I don't sell any signals or mentorship or course, anything like that, boys. Everything I do here is for free on stream for you guys. Yeah. And this is also slowing down. It's so you could retrace 100%. It is a slowdown. You can see that it's slowing down a lot of weeks, but it's getting closer to New York Open. So it's preparing a push for New York Open. What I can pick up already on the 15-minute time frame, we have these highs right here. We have these highs right here, right? And I can also just put it on a normal ray like this. What I like to do is I put on a tool like this. You can see there we have a resistance, and we can also see that's the support area right here. Do you see? So we have the high, the low. Now the next low, we have to go on a high time frame to see if it's any other low right here. We do have a low weight board from right over here, and we have another low weight market board over from here. Yeah, so you can see that this is where the market bought from, these levels, right? You see, I'm not looking at the resistance. I'm looking at supports on the left. I'm not drawing it on the resistance. I'm drawing on supports. I'm not drawing on this on the resistance. This is not the resistance. So keep in mind, I'm not drawing this on the resistance. I'm drawing it on support. But I also look at recent support on the 5-minute, 50-minute right there. This is where market bought from. You see that bought from here, but market sold from the top from the resistance. So I draw supports as supports and resistance as resistance. You understand? So I look at where buying area from, where selling area from. So I'll look at for resistance, I'll look at this is the resistance right here. That's the resistance right there. That's the resistance there. You understand? That is what I'm looking at basically, boys. So right now I can see market is preparing for open. So I'm going to look at low time frame, like the 1-minute time frame, and see what is happening here. Is there any trend line I can draw on this end? We have this from here, but we also have this over here. This market has evolved to this one. You see, so if market fails to go below, because you can see here's a low, it's failing right here because it's supposed to just continue. It's a bit of a range. Does it go back to test to sell off? A bit of a retracement, maybe even up, fake out, and then sell off, boys. Or does it break above, completely above this highs, which is this high right here? This one. Either it breaks completely above this high and then retests on top of it. So you'll see this, and then it buys up back to this highs right here. You see, that's basically what I'm looking at. Does everyone understand? I just drop a W in the chat, my G's. Let's see. Got interested, Brandon got interested again last year's signal group things, then did mentorship Jan 26, left my job May 2026. So I've been dipping my toes in from June 2026, so very new. Didn't leave my job for trading though. Okay, geometry retrace on psychological level, but wait for candlestick confirmation. Lovely. I see the W's coming in the chat, guys. Lovely. I appreciate it, guys. I love the engagement. I love you guys interacting. Let's see. I love and thank you for the liking of the stream as well, guys. Thank you for the 40 people that like the stream. You guys are stars, boys. We have 10 minutes before market open, boys. Let's get ready. Cleveland, shout out to my bro, my young one in the chat. Shout out to my young one in the chat as well. Baby cakes, baby cake face. Shout out to my young cousin in the chat out there. Shout out to him. My cousin's in the chat. Shout out to him. My young one is also in the chat. Shout out to him. Laughs 21 gold buys. Are you in gold buys already? Let's see. I see. The thing is, I'd rather wait for this range to be broken, boys. I'd rather range to be broken. How can I learn how can I learn how to trade? Firstly, I would say to learn how to trade is to join the stream every day. If you're gonna join the stream every day, you're gonna learn. This is trading here right now, how to trade. You see how I broke down the chart. I'm explaining this is a trend. Now you know, okay, this is how a trend. A trend has a higher high, high low. This is uptrend, high high, high low, high high. Now you go do today. Your lesson will be going to spot uptrends on. So you go back test. You're gonna go learn now. Now you're gonna go to your own chart. You take maybe a random place, random anyway. Bam, bam, bam. Now you take maybe here. Let's do here. So you see, okay. Now you're gonna just start here. You're like, okay, what is the trend? Now you're gonna look at. You're gonna take a drawing tool like this tool here, path tool. You start drawing. Okay, this is going up. Now you have a higher high. So you know, okay, this is uptrend. So today you've learned how to spot a uptrend, high. Okay, Shaquel, I still don't know how to spot trends. No problem, man. No problem. The better way is then you're gonna take this brush tool and you're gonna go with the market. Is it going up or is it going down? Up, down, up. But is it more going up or down? That's the question you have. So you draw with the brush tool. You are is the market going up or you putting it down? Then you can see now, like you see that is a simple thing to understand. Is a trend going up or down like this? Let's see another one. Check here. Now you take your tool again. You go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You can clearly see it is going down, and therefore it is in a downtrend. So that's how you spot a trend, boys. Okay. Using AMD and resistance support levels together. Bro, you're talking my language. Habibi underscore rides. That's exactly Shaquel's way of trading, bro. Using support resistance, market structure. This is what I use, guys. Come and tell you what I use. Market's about to open, boys. 7 minutes. Let's get ready, actually. Calculate risk every time, boys. Come, let's calculate the risk. Go on a low time frame, 5 minutes. Let's see what's happening here. 1 minute. There's a Nasdaq 100, boys. So, you know, 100 points. If I'm gonna risk 100 points, let me show you guys something. If I'm risking 100 points, let's say I take a buy from here, and I put 100 under this area right here. That's 38, right? Let's put it at 50 quick, just so like this. So if I risk 100 points on a 0.01 with Nasdaq, right? Then you know if you take a 0.01 on Nasdaq on space markets, you are risking 1,700, roughly about that, all depending on the conversion for the day. Why is this thing so nonsense here? All depending on the conversion for the day, boys. Right? The dollar conversion. But 0.01 on 50 points right here, you're going to be risking about 850. 800 around there, right? So you know, if I do 25, about 25 around there, you're gonna be like doing what, 400, 450, 500 around there. You see, you're already pre-calculating ahead of time before you taking the risk. So you know, okay, with a 0.01, I can't afford to risk a 1,700. I can't lose that amount. I'm now gonna see you, Mr. Naidu. I'm gonna check your comment right now, okay? I can't afford to risk that before the market open. Okay, but that means I must go on a micro account. If I can afford to lose 1,700, 2,000 rand, then you're gonna take a 0.01 on 100 points. If you can't do 0.01 on 100 points, you can't be trading a standard account. Very simple, very simple. You wanna be trading a micro account, boys. All right, let's see the comments right there. Shaq Brucey, I'm thinking that Nest will buy because it filled the weekly time frame. That's what I said. I'm also looking at two sides of what let me see, two sides. So that is basically just it's a funny, catchy video. It's a training type of style of video, where we wanna showcase the new CRM, basically. Yes. Okay. Let's see. What's the next thing? How I trade, like the person said, BB. I trade like how BB said, basically market structure plus AMD. Google, what you say, my brother? AMD, which is ranges. I usually use a range with a trend and support resistance. That's exactly how I trade. It's price action. It's relative price action, boys. So markets are really pushing down. Let's see how it open. Don't stress yourself out, boys. Don't stress yourself out. Okay. Remember, I'm gonna watch how it opens. Even if it falls down, I'm gonna watch how it opens, boys. Don't stress yourself out. If market's pushing like, but on a trade here, there's no rush. We're gonna adapt to where the market opens. Okay. So don't stress. Don't let the market open give you stress or nervousness. Fawn, I see you in the chat. How are you doing, my G? Um, I'm pre-calculating my risk. Okay, I'm ready, my boys. I'm ready. I'm ready for action. Okay, let's see. Javi, what you say? Salam Owens, how are you guys? In the trade already? No trade it, Mohammed. No trade it. We're still waiting for the trade. Okay, there's a lot of resistance around there. Yeah, we're gonna wait for it. Like again, if it breaks up all above this, guys, then even this one here, I'm looking at this one right here as well. This area here, above this one as well. Break above here, I can look to take a buy from here. Okay. I will see how it goes from this point right here, boys. Okay. Let's check, boys. Are we ready? Let's see. Yellow folder news today. Don't stress, guys. Oh, we're gonna do well. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Another win for the boys today. Can we get a W today, chat? Come on. We're gonna get a win today. Come on, guys. Get the energy up. Get the energy up, boys. Come on. Let's get the energy up, boys. Let's push. Come on, boys. Do you use breakouts as confirmations? Breakouts. Break and close. RBP. Come on, boys. Let's get the energy up. Come on. 1 minute left, boys. Come on, my boys and girls. Could you please do a quick analysis? I did do analysis, but I'm going to go quick over it. I'm looking for your market breaks above here. Like just close above here. Retest, I can get in a buy over here. If markets can reject, then I can reject. Maybe fake out, reject, and come back in. I can look for the sells down. But we're going to look for how market rejects it over here. This resistance or this one right here. Okay. Come on, my boys. Let's get ready. Let's get ready with our ready fingers on triggers. Come on, boys. Be ready. Let's see. That's it. That's what I'm talking about, boys. Come on, chat. I love the energy. I love it. You guys are making me excited, boys. Come on. Excited. I'll tell you guys stop loss about. We're gonna take it. If you're taking it from the top right here, say we take it from the top right here, stops will be right below about. If you take it from the top, it'll be about 30, say 40 points. And if it does come back, it's opening now. Already open, boys. It really open. Market just open. Okay, it just shut down. Let's be ready. Rejecting. Let's see. This thing just tapped that. No, boys. No ways. That thing was so quick. I just tapped that area. Wait, no. Come on. Let's see where it closes. Give me a second. There's about a few seconds left for this thing to close, guys. 5-minute time frame. Let's see. Closure candle above. Come on, boys. Come on. Candle closure above. Let's see. We get a candle closure above here. There's about 5 seconds left. Let's see on the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame above. Woo! This is gonna be a banger trade, boys. Banger trade. Let's get ready. Boys. Just wait for the candle closure. Even if it close above or below above this one, we need a candle closure above, boys. 1 minute time frame. It's closed above. Okay. So if it's closed above here, we're gonna see a retest on this one, or it's gonna come back towards here now to retest. Ready, steady. Either it's going to be above here for the buy, boys, or be, but we have a bigger stop, it'll be 50, about 50 points, boys. Okay. If it closes here above. But we have to, I would rather say here the best entry, but if it does, I'll have to take it around here. Okay. Going for ones to twos, boys. Ready. Just be ready for retest, okay? Be ready for retest. Don't stress. Even markets pushing, don't stress yourself out, boys. No reason to stress yourself out. Horror. Why is it horror movie? There's no horror movie, boys. It's simple train the New York Open, boys. You have to be patient. There is no horror movie here, boys. You simply trading. I know what I'm gonna use. So about 50, say about 50 points. So 0.01 will be about 850, boys. Okay. I'll tell you when I'm gonna buy. I'll tell you when I'm buying. No buy yet. I'm telling you, I'm in for the buys, boys. I'm getting in on the buys now. Okay, because I got in right over on this side right here, boys. Making sure your stops is right below at least 50 points. 50 points, okay? Right below that wick, boys. Right below the wick. 50 points. I'm in. Okay, let's see. Don't tell me this thing's gonna come take my stop out, boys. It's coming to take my stop out. It took my stop out. Stop was taken out, boys. My stop was taken out, boys. My stop was taken out of there. My stop was taken out, boys. I got in on the retest. Stops got taken out. Win on a Monday, loss on a Tuesday. Wow. And don't tell me it's coming all the way back up just after taking me out, boys. Don't do that. Okay. Yeah, that was what a trade. What a trade. Very disappointed in that trade now. So disappointed. It literally weaked me out. Like that was a week basically. There was no candle closure on the 5-minute time frame. Let me take a moment. That was brutal. Why you counter trading? Because it broke basically the structure, boys. That's why. It broke the structure on the 1 minute right here. Bam. Retest. That's how I got in. You win some, you lose some. I know I did say the daily is bearish, but I said also adaptive market break structure. Very simple, boys. We're all going to say something now after it happens. We're all very master professors after the trade is done, especially when I take a loss. It's fine. The case is, it was a brutal one. That thing just went down, boys. I followed my plan and I traded my plan. We took the buy on gold. Nice, my G. Hey, check gold as well. Whoa! Choo, choo, choo. What is happening? This thing. Yeah, everyone is a pro on the chart. They haven't taken a trade on. I know. That's actually, I'm not gonna bother myself with that, bro. I know. I followed my plan. You see there, it literally wicked, and came back up. It's a whoop saw, my boy. How are you gonna? If you made profits on this, you are hyper scalping. You're not a trader. I scalp, but I don't scalp like this. Let's see if this thing comes back, bro. Let's see. No ways, my G. No ways. No ways, my G. No ways. No ways. Eh, 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 eh. Wow. 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 What a choppy market is this, boys. You can't tell me this was a great New York Open. Don't tell me this is a great New York Open. It wasn't. It wasn't a great New York Open, boys. Let's be realistic about it. I don't know. Everyone got chopped this. Classic Forex trader who said, it's a buy and a sell. Bro, I'm telling you, my G, I know that this year was a chop. You can say what you want, boy. Buy and sell at the same time. Never. But I can say one thing. I do this candle closure. If this candle close above here, I do still think, bro. I do still believe it's a buy if it closes above. But I can't get in right now, boys. Mm-mm. First trade. Let's see. Wow, what a New York Open, bro. That was a whoop so. Java City closed. He held after drawdown, caught some profits and closed. My G, I don't know what. How that was very. I would say that's bad trade, bro. Win some, lose some. Yeah, but that's a Judas. Yeah, that's a Judas. This is nonsense, boys. Nonsense trading. This is nonsense trading. If you made trades profits here, you are literally. I'm not gonna say this was a good trade. I'm gonna tell you that was a nonsense trade. If you still make profits on this little, you caught some nonsense here, boy. Nonsense. I don't always be proud of that trade, whatever you took here, because it's supposed to go one way, not what. Look at this. But like I said, cannot close above, bro. Even above here, it's still a retest. I'll still go for that buy. Still, a lot of people are trying to push it sell in right now. A lot of people are trying to push it sell in right now. A lot of people. One, rejection. Two, support tapped, reject. A big bullish candle, and it's a major range actually. Eh? If you think about it, right here to here, it's a range actually. Eh? See there. Let's watch. 1 minute left. Candle can close above here, boys. Come on, boys. Let's see this thing pushes. Boys, that buys in a kicking right now. That buys in a kicking right now, boys. Look at that rejection. See here, close, failure to break below, close above, retesting. That buys in a kick in right here, boys. That buys in a kick in heavy, boys. I'm gonna take a small trade now. Small one. Let's see what I'll do with this one. Small trade. Let's see. 5 minute time frame. Based on the 5 minutes. See. 5 minute has 1 minute left. 1 minute left. If it's can close above here, oof. Let's see how this thing. This is interesting, very interesting, because this is a better candle than the previous one. This was a nonsense doji, but we need to see a candle closure above here. Then I'll take a nice small buy on a retest for above. If it closes back in, no trade, boys. I'll take a small buy just if it closes above here. 30 seconds left. Nothing. 20 seconds left. Eh, 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 eh. Whoa. Nah, Trumpy. Ay, Trumpy. Here. Expect the sell, to be honest. Yeah, we'll see now, man. You think a fast sell down, eh? Let's see. I don't know at this point, but I'm gonna stay out rather than stay out. I'm not feeling this one. I'm not feeling it, boys. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it, boys. This is not the one, man. It's not the one. Let's see here, gold. Right to the top. I bet you what, USD went in one direction. Yeah, told you. One direction. One direction. One always goes in one direction, boys. Trumpy. Aye, Trumpy. Look at this now. Trumpy. Aye, Trumpy, boys. Trumpy. Yo. Eh. What can I say, my G? What can I say? Direction was correct, though. The direction was correct, man. The direction was correct, boys. The direction was right, but you can see I'm not gonna win every single one, and I have to accept it. But Trumpy, hi Trumpy, what is this, Trumpy? Trumpy, you tapping this to go up, Trumpy, man, Trumpy, bro, Trumpy. Trumpy, Trumpy. What is Trumpy doing? Hey, Trumpy Trumps. Trumpy Trumps. Hmm? Trumpy Trumps. What's the SL? Nah, bro, this thing tapped my. I'm not in a trade, but I was in a trade. It tapped my stop loss and then bought up. So my stop loss was right here for about 50 points. It bought all the way up, my G. So Trumpy came to take my stop loss out. My young $100. He came to take it out basically. Trumpy. A young $60 actually. Trumpy came to take it out. But it was a great stream though. I mean, it was a great stream. I just genuinely think it could have been a lot better if this didn't happen. Just tap out and then buy, and it's fine. You know what I mean? That's again how it goes, boys. It's how things move. You know what I mean? It's how things go. This is trading. It's pumping. Yes, it is pumping, my G. Yo, look at that. Tapped us out and buy. Chai for the boys. But again, guys, I'm very happy. Again, don't get discouraged after 1L. You know what I mean? You guys saw Monday, Friday we took a loss, Friday, Monday we win. Tuesday we take a loss. It's part of trading. Tomorrow you find out we take a banger win. And tomorrow plus Marcelino will be also on. I'm sure he's gonna come with a banger as well. And Marcelino as well as Safi will be on. So I'm sure they'll come with banger trades. Don't miss a stream because of AL. You saw many times, especially those who join every single time consistently. You'll see that we have a loss, you'll see we come out the win again. It's just part of trading. And today is just not the great market condition. You can see this wasn't great market condition, boys. Okay. I appreciate it, guys. Shaquel G, but oh, look, you're making me very happy, man. Thank you so much. But nonsense, big time nonsense, my G. Big time. This is big time nonsense. Look at this. Look at this. Wake down. For those who got in the cell, yeah, you gone. Lost. Yeah, these conditions are tough. Hey, I'm telling you, hey, bro. But again, guys, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. It was a very successful stream still. I really, first time on a stream with you, love a G. Yeah, baby, I really appreciate, man. I love the feedback, and if it's anything I can better for you, please ask, bro, or share your feedback, man. I really appreciate it. Once again, guys, I was the classic liquidity. I was the liquidity day. It's fine. These days I'm the liquidity. It's okay. You know how it feels. It hurts. But again, like you said, it's about the discipline. If we took the L, we walk away, bro. You know what I mean? If we had to follow my plan, we could have gotten the trade, I would have taken it again. But peace, love, happiness, my G's. With that being said, you mean to step by step here. We still gonna let Pops pay the bills, boys. It still pays the bills no matter what. And with that being said, guys, I'm about to sign out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers, guys. Cheers, traders now.